So the first thing that you might have noticed when you drop down the Orca menu in the hydrodynamics panel, there's that export to NavCad button. And when you hit that, we jump into the NavCad interface, which can be a little bit big and scary looking, but we enter some speeds, and then we can go and we can validate our hull data, which has all come in from Orca. And so we'll scroll down and check to make sure that our chine lengths and our dead rise are correct. And then we'll define our propulsor as a propeller, not a horizontal tow. We'll set our max propeller diameter, our shaft diameter. We'll add some lift corrections. We'll apply those in full and run our calculation. And now here's our resistance curve. So that was quick. NavCad's really good at that in the rapid prototyping stage of the development process. And we can look and we can see these supplemental forces, the lift and thrust from the propulsor to get that balance of forces and planing hull resistance. So we have these numbers, they're great. What do we do with them?